Here we go.
No, man.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm turning on voice chat. No!
Hi everybody, it's Haley, and today I'm going to be playing the button with my cousin Atreyu. Say hi.
Help me.
I didn't say that. Hi.
I said I.
Yeah, say, see? We're going to be playing the button because he got me addicted to this game. Not even a day ago. Okay. I need to fill up my water.
Oh yeah, let's go, Sigmas. Oh, let's go. She's fat.
Okay, so, do you want to explain how this game works?
Oh, heck no.
Okay, I guess I will.
Oh, let's go.
Yo, who is this lady? Hey, she looks like, what's her, I think her name's like
You
Tornado.
look like Tatsumaki.
Yeah, Tatsumaki from, don't tell me. Oh, yeah.
Yo, there's like, I don't know what this is, but he's not tough.
Twinino. Why? Okay. Okay. So basically, this game, how it works is it's like Squid Games, kinda, not really. Okay.
I'm gonna punch y'all.
Well, I mean, I'll call it kind of like Squid Games because if you really think about it, it kind of is. And basically, you're supposed to fight to death, and try to be the last one standing. And events happen whenever you press that button over here.
Oh yeah, the button's right.
And then combat is allowed, but you also get damage whenever you're outside of the circle.
Oh yeah, up there and kill someone.
Unless it gets enabled.
To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event.
Yes. I'm gonna kill someone.
Pressing the button will terminate someone else at random.
Okay, I got this briefcase.
Keep in mind,
And then also there's abilities and perks
decisions
you can
have
get. Or
consequences.
not really abilities, but perks that you can buy with gems.
I think I did.
Oh, I got a band-aid. I died!
I hope it's not me.
I'm dead!
This is the participant responsible for their termination.
Who killed me?
The guy in the right.
Combat against them
Yeah, I know,
has
but
been
who's
authorized.
that? Let's go over
This
here.
is your opportunity
guy
to
with
serve
dread.
justice.
I want to work with the nonchalant dreadhead. No, I want to work with the nonchalant dreadhead. Ladies. Yeah, beat him up. Yeah, beat him up. Freaking William Afton. I will haunt you for the rest of your life.
I swear I might die from there. Excuse me, guys.
You killed me! You just teleported in here.
The following
I don't care.
participants will
I'm still gonna
terminate.
kill him.
Freaking, this guy's so freaking annoying. Why did he kill? I swear I'm gonna haunt him for the rest of his life.
Yo, he's gonna kill me.
He is? Oh, you're cooked.
Ow!
I see you.
Prepare to run.
Did
for
he
your
just
life.
lock you in a room?
The Juggernaut will soon be chosen.
Ooh, why'd you lock me in the room together?
If the Juggernaut fails
I
to
think you
terminate
like me
the
more.
subjects, they will be
Drop him.
eliminated.
Oh yeah, let's go. This woman is entered the premises.
Punch him! You freaking turd! William Afton. That's Michael.
Oh, it's okay.
Is that William Afton? That's Michael Afton. Oh.
Junior to revive me.
You might be cooked. It's freaking game! Load. Oh, I got a pew pew.
No, I want a pew.
I got a big one.
No fair.
Look. Wait, where are you? Why is my hair black? It's white.
Don't slay me if I die, okay, pet?
Did you click it?
No.
Oh, I got a big pew pew.
Oh yeah, let's go gamble. No, I'm gonna kill you. Nope, I don't even have to kill you.
Wait, where are you, Atreyu?
I'm in the middle.
You lost,
Look, I got
and
big
you will
pew.
now have to be terminated.
Is that Batman? Oh my gosh, he's tweaking.
The following participants were terminated.
It's Gojo, or not Gojo, freaking Goku, gosh.
Jogo's better.
Not Mount Fuji, bro.
Yo, you have a big pew-pew.
Yeah, like, I got big pew pew and I'll shoot you up.
Please don't shoot me.
Where are you at?
Oh, we're cut.
Wait, what are we doing again?
Break.
Breach? Oh my gosh, you gotta be pooping me. Oh my goodness.
I have the OP armor.
I'm gonna get shot. Freaking Chungus. Ah! Come on. I'm scared. Okay, we're gonna hide because I have this emote and the game's broken, so I can't use it.
Where are you, bro?
Okay, it's working. My game's still not loaded though. I'm just hiding in one of the rooms. I think I might jump down.
No.
Stop trying to shoot me! Oh shoot. Go!
Come here, follow me.
Oh, are we gonna sabotage them?
In the corner. In the corner.
Okay. My friend got texted just now.
We don't need this. My mom is trying to phone.
Are you listening to the bomb?
No, I'm not listening.
We're like a big family. Not really. Sorry to turn you down. Stop!
Combat
Sorry to turn you down, but no.
around the button. I suggest you act with caution.
I don't really want to. Yeah, I don't really want to be in another family. I'm good. Ooh, there's.
Prepare to run for your life. The
You
Juggernaut will soon be chosen.
You just love to kill people.
If the Juggernaut fails to terminate enough subjects,
Oh, she has a gun too. I
they
don't know
will
if
be
I want to mess with her.
eliminated.
She has a gun. She's gonna shoot you, bro. Wait, which one is this?
Juggernaut.
Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness, you should have said that sooner! I'm hiding. Like, I remember that technique I told you about. Well, that might not work because he's on this side!
I'm hiding behind the.
That's what I would do, but right now he's like right by me and I'm not risking it. Wait, Trey.
We will pause to take a short break.
Down there. Yeah, but I had like right here.
Right there? Okay.
A vote will be
Or like
held
right
to
there.
decide
Or
if combat should be
under the
authorized
staircase
from this
probably.
point on.
Oh! You choose no.
Choose wisely.
No combat.
Oh my gosh, I swear. I feel like there's gonna I feel like someone's gonna say yes. But no, please no. Did you click yes?
No. You gotta fake choosing yes. So people don't fight you. People that choose yes want beef, bro. They want straight hair.
Why is this guy looking at me? You want me to shoot you? I'll shoot you. Freaking chungus. Let me try fixing my graphics so my game could load better.
Combat remains
That's what I
unauthorized.
thought.
Oh my bad. I need to like jump to get my game loaded because it's
Yeah, jump off the bridge.
ah.
Walk off the plane. You have a lock?
No.
Look for one then.
Oh my
Stay
gosh, it's
inside
like
the
you're
button
treating me
zone
like a
to
slave.
survive.
So.
Yes!
When the
Slave!
timer
Go look
ends,
for one.
only players in the zone will
You're
live.
so.
You wanna test me, slave?
Fight for control.
We're going Freaking
Good luck.
chungus. Oh, I found another sledgehammer.
It's King of the Hill.
Oh hey guys.
Dead.
Hey guys. I'm a little late to the party, but that's okay.
No, you need to stay inside the button though. Trust me, you don't want to get out. Nobody's gonna punch me. If someone punches me, I'm gonna stab them to death.
I'm gonna shoot this place out. So if someone punches me once, I'm freaking. Ooh, yo. Oh, well, you have to kill someone in order to.
Yo, I'm gonna shit.
Yo, this girl trying to shoot me. I mean, not shoot me, kill me. Yeah, I got a Glock. I mean, freaking. What?
The following participants were terminated.
No, I wasn't. I was in it.
For so long, remember whenever you said I was a little late to the party?
Oh, yeah.
That's why you died.
Well, I was in there the entire time.
No, you weren't. Not at the start.
Yeah, not at the start, but the rest of it, I was in there. And also, she kept trying to punch me. I will haunt you. No happy Pride Month for you, bro. I freaking.
Yo, please someone take me if I...
Did you at least take my Glock, please?
A participant has
Oh, well,
been
someone
trapped
else took
against
that. I
their
wonder who.
will. Will one of you sacrifice your life to save them?
Heck no. Why would I do that?
Choose wisely.
What did you say, please? Oh, question mark. Oh, she has my Glock. Oh my gosh. She took my gun. Well, it's not a Glock, but why me? Freaking Chungus. Farewell. Yeah, bye. You could die with me. Who saved them? Yeah!
I admire your selflessness.
Yeah, as you should. Because you don't
It's a
deserve to win.
shame it has
You
to
do
be
not
this
deserve to win.
Does she have anything?
Get out the lobby. I think she has a whole bunch of guns. Did
The
she get
following
any?
participants were terminated.
There is no gun.
I saw her pull out one. Or maybe it was a knife.
Congratulations on making it this far. You have proven yourself as the most elite
I have
participant.
everything.
Make your way to the final area so that the finale can
I'm
begin.
the second best if I need. I'm good. No, I'm not. I don't beat everyone up. Oh, pow. And everyone's gonna die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7.
Stop!
7 people are surviving there. Wait, I think I
From this point onward, the rules have changed.
Yeah.
The only thing between you and victory are the other participants you see now. With that, let the experiment continue.
Oh yeah, us! Us! Oh, yo, chill out.
Ooh, I want that. Oh.
An event will now be selected.
Don't you have like a tactical?
Flicker, 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 flicker. Yes!
Watch this. I'm gonna predict it all. They're gonna do flicker, then
This
the
is a game of
gulag,
tag.
and then the.
I hate
If the
Gulag.
secret tags
Me
you,
too, bro. It sucks.
you will be eliminated.
It sucks to suck. Alright.
I suggest you spread out. The tagger will now
I'll
be
let you
chosen.
know where they is if it's not you. 2 people in the middle.
I'm not tits, bro. Us.
It's the Ninja Turtle.
The following participants were terminated.
I had a Glock.
What is it? Is it Gulag?
This is
I
a
told
team
you.
deathmatch. Only one team will
I'll
survive.
let you know if they have anything good. So the only good thing, this
Show
guy has a
no
sledgehammer. This guy only has his fists. And then this guy has only his fist. Okay, there's only one person with a weapon. So y'all will probably be good.
Oh, they jumped at me! They jumped at me, man!
I see you.
This is my kill.
They're gonna try and revive him.
I'll take that sledge.
He has a Glock.
If I had to,
Yeah, he didn't use it. Are you the only one? What is this guy doing? He's just standing there. Bro, this dude got a rocket.
not talking about. Take it from here. You do.
You should check that gun though. Find you.
Oh,
She's chasing after you.
okay. Because my own teammate tried to kill me.
Well, they can't even do damage.
Look at my teammate. Okay, so there's a teammate.
All you gotta do is kill him.
So you do that, you take 4 damage.
He's over here. He turned around. Wait, turn around. Just turn around the tree. He's over here. He's hiding behind the wall.
He's gonna die either way. All I have to do is run.
He's gonna try and revive him. He's reviving him.
You can't revive before the other team.
Oh, okay, okay. Hey, you got this, Trey. Ooh. Oh, you're so beautiful too. Okay. Because you locked
The
in,
following
though.
participants
like,
were
you ate
terminated.
that. Bruh. Hey. Yo, like, locked in? Hey, stop it. Stop it, mister.
Click the button. What are you waiting for? Watch this. Then it's gonna be execution.
An event will now be selected.
Bro, which one? What's execution?
It's the one where it's one.
Oh, okay.
I told you.
Only
Are
the
they spinning?
strongest will survive.
Oh, this, huh?
Out to you when you
I want to see him.
What's up? I don't know. That's what it's up.
Is there any? Oh my goodness! Is there any ammo in that gun? He just threw a bandage. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you didn't get it,
Do you have any ammo?
or if you were to get it, no. If you were to get it. Oh! Watch this. Pew! 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 There's a reason why they call it pew! 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 Pew!
You're missing your pews there. Oh, does he also have a gun? Or is that you? That there's a band-aid.
Okay, it's either I'm lagging.
He's lagging. He's lagging. Or no, he's just running in place. Remember, because of the sprint thing? Oh! Or not.
Always knew there was something special about you.
No participants were terminated.
I hope you die, TV.
I had thought there was something special about you.
Sorry.
I'm gonna hope I
Out
win
of
this
all
round
the
again, bro.
participants,
Or next time.
You alone survive.
Oh yeah, not just that segment. That's right.
Bro,
Before you go,
freaking lock in.
allow me to show
I'm
you
way more
something.
Sigma than JV.
How could you?
I'm not so Sigma. Alright, chat.
What?
Can you please do the dishes soon?
Oh yeah, everyone is easy kill, free kill.
Hi, puppy.
Oh, it's so easy. Y'all are doomed. You teamers, I'm totally not teaming with you.
Ha, yeah, totally.
Like, trust me, guys.
Well, I mean, at least we're not like that. No, at least we're not that big of a teamer. Like, all we do is just, like, protect each other during the game, and then at the final, we protect each other until we're, like, the last man standing. Or until it's just us. And then we fight. And I die every single time.
Usually win.
I'm not good at this game still.
You suck.
You're so mean.
That must have been the win.
Sure.
Oh yeah. It must have been the win.
I
Is this
better-
fake too?
I swear, I better win this one.
Choose to let it continue.
Is she in the game? Chat, is she in the game? If she is, you should bully her in the comments.
I wonder what you see in life I don't.
I'm right in front of you.
No, you're not.
Perhaps something
Why tell my own viewers to bully me? What did I do?
You do good.
I wish you luck in the second phase.
I got a knife. Bro, why got you, bro. I don't even know what I was going with on that. I meant, why'd you close the door on me? Freaking stop! You're good chungus, bro. Thank you.
You're the chungus of the gigas.
How could you?
I know.
Whoever presses the button will either be. Wait, no, it already it speaks for me.
Look what I found.
Look what I found. I mean, look what I got.
Choose wisely. You lost, and you will now have to be terminated.
Yo! Ew. Freaking ew.
I think he got turned.
The following participants were terminated.
Like the fact. Cause she just letting it happen.
Prepare to run for
She
your
probably likes it. No.
Juggernaut will soon
Do
be
you
chosen.
see them in the middle?
Oh yeah.
If the Juggernaut
Look at her!
fails to terminate enough subjects,
Yeah.
they will be eliminated.
Oh, yo, wait, that's kind of fire. Yo, wait, no. Wait, what's this one? The Juggernaut? Oh, shit.
What if I told you the janitor's the juggernaut?
Well, I just went by the janitor. How could you? Oh, they're like right up there. Stop, you're gonna sabotage us! He's right there! Why is everyone over here? Okay, just like hide right here. Girl, move. Or guy, what are you? Oh, it's Levi, I think, right? Is it? I can't see.
No way they're punching the juggernaut.
Yeah, please shoot them. Please shoot them. They need to learn some manners.
The Juggernaut failed to terminate enough subjects.
Watch them. They're gonna go back to doing it. Boom.
From this point onward, combat is authorized around the button.
Oh yeah. Active caution. Yeah.
Ah!
That's beautiful, Haley.
Thank you.
Oh, we're good. Long they're coming.
He's just begging for it. It's so freaking
Wait,
weird.
let me check. Let me check if he's dead. He's dead.
Wait, what are we doing?
Zombie.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, I fell.
Roar!
I just slammed the door on someone. Okay. I don't need to let my dog out.
That's how you swim. Let me in, swimming.
I think I'll be just fine. I don't know. Ah!
Swimming wrong.
Hey. What are you looking at, a tree?
The zombie's outside.
There's zombies! Ah!
Oh. Yep. The door's being locked.
Did you escape?
At first I was out. I was petrified. Are you good?
Punch me! Punch me! No! Get it off me! Get it off me! Get it off me! Someone.
I
Someone.
died like real.
You died?
I I'm getting back.
Punch me! Thank you! Gosh.
Upstairs. Please.
Wait, are you like down? Are you downed or?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's stay here!
Are you still alive?
This guy just played a clutch.
So you're still alive? You are? Hi there. Hi there, mister. Or is that a woman?
He
Thank
got mine,
you.
and I got his back. You know what happened?
Hmm.
It let me use items, so I shot and I killed one of the zombies that had the shields on. And he picked me up safe and then ran away into the dorm. And then the hazmat guys came
We
and
will
shot.
pause.
No! Oh my gosh, he died! No! His spit was fire, bro. Stop! Oh, he died. Bro, his spit was freaking tough. It was so tough. And now he's dead, bro. One of the best styled people here died. Or like not alive, but in the game. No. He's probably high level. Ew, girl, no. I'm not befriending you, girl. No. You're in there? Okay. This girl's trying to befriend me, the one that was doing the stuff. With the nonchalant redhead over there. Oh, thank you. No, no. Fucking Chungus. Oh shoot, I just stabbed someone. Oh, we have breach anyway, so I'm fine. I don't know about it. Oh, there's two different ones.
Ready?
Wait, don't.
Okay, let go.
Freaking stabbed her. I really want to kill her, but I'm too low. Yeah, get out, girl. Get.
I'm gonna slide her off. Take this gun.
I'll bet.
I was rolling. Oh, look, he's outside.
I might jump. I'm not gonna go anywhere with this.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna take out my sledgehammer.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Oh, why?
They broke the lock. I'm trying to run.
The following
Oh my goodness.
participants were terminated.
I'm still alive. No,
I
that's
like
silly. No, bro, he was so tough. Oh, he died. Ew, the nonchalant dreadhead should die. Freaking Chungus. Stupid dreadhead. That boba ruined the bit too.
Oh, yeah.
Freaking weirdo. I'll hope your freaking girlfriend died. Where's she at? Oh, she died.
A participant has been trapped against their will.
I'm not saving
Will
him.
one of you sacrifice your life to
Watch it.
save them?
3,
Choose wisely.
I had a feeling he was
I
gonna do that.
admire your selflessness. It's a shame it has to be this way.
Freaking Chungus.
get the shield. Or whatever he has.
He already dropped it. Boom! Stop following me. Let's go! Minefield! I really like this one.
Watch this.
Watch you die.
Behind these
Freaking exploded me. Stop. Stop! They keep exploding me.
Don't tell me this.
Well, there's no ammo in there. So. Sucks to be you.
I'll just start you over.
I got a briefcase.
Tell me if you get a lock or barricade. Go.
Well, guess freaking what? I got a barricade.
You need to say cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, I don't need it.
Did you just tell me that you don't need it?
Yeah.
Just because you already have one?
I thought it was gonna be more. Oh, I've got a barricade. I've got a barricade.
I freaking hate this game.
no participants were terminated.
Why are you following me?
Why am I following you?
It's a police officer. It's a photo!
Watch me, I'ma lock in. Is that Principal Yaga?
It's Yaga me.
But they call him.
Principal Yaga.
But they call him Yaga. No, let Gojo in. Let Gojo in.
I am touching Gojo! Gojo! Touching Gojo!
Sheriffo. Oh girl, there's a SWAT.
Okay!
Yay, I got to press the button. Button. No, is it broken? Juggernaut? Oh my goodness. Why can't I use my emo? Girl, is she good?
He's not holding back at all, bro. Oh, let's go. She's gone.
I might die too.
Go with your girl.
Freaking Chungus. Wait, why do I need to kill her? She
Oh,
don't-
she killed me.
I was about to say, she the one that attacked you? Got you.
She killed me and Gojo.
How could you?
The following participants were terminated.
Bro, Gojo was peak sung. She didn't even do anything.
Remember, this girl hid in my hiding spot, got the mom, and got me and Gojo.
An event will now be selected.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's because there's 5 of us.
Will survive.
I want to show you this game after this.
Okay.
I love it so much because I was playing.
We can't win. We can't win. I'm sorry.
Why? It's because of the
It's
levels.
May the best man win.
Well, what if I just say I am a man?
Okay. She's gonna be dating women in the near future. I'm sorry, guys. I know.
Punch you, freaking Chungus. Oh, I need it. I thought that was Yuji. Yuji?
You're walking us right past me.
Yes, you heard. Oh, yeah,
Put it on.
got it. Oh my gosh, I got double.
Jump, jump. There's a guy that's on the ledge. And then
Oh, she got a knife.
hit jump.
So what do you want me to do?
That guy on like that guy's at high ground.
On the brick?
And then
Hit him?
hit. Oh yeah. He doesn't deserve to get the high ground.
Dang it, they got who got the briefcase? She's so stupid. She ran into the red area and then she fell.
Oh. He's very what I call unique.
She's super smart, bro. No! Freaking Giga Chungus.
She's super unique. She has her own playstyle.
Stop trying to punch me.
Hold block. Hold block if they only get one.
I got the gun.
You have a gun?
Yeah, I just got it. Hell yeah, bro.
You can make barrel up.
I need to heal. No, I don't actually. I'm like almost full.
Yeah. Kill her.
Freaking girl.
Nah,
Kinda. Now you want to play that game? Yeah, I got a Glock.
It's like a builder running up. I love the Kit Kat. Oh. Vinny.
Oh shit! Oh my god. She almost fell. Freaking dang it. I thought she fell. Since when did he get a shield? Did she just get a katana? I swear she did.
Which one?
The girl that you want me to kill. Stop targeting me!
No. You didn't get it.
Oh god, push her off!
Let's go.
Stop chasing me! Stop! Bro, like, get a life! Dang it, I really needed that. I'm gonna die. Gosh dang it, I thought that was something better. I'm gonna die.
I beat him to someone else.
I don't know what that vest is gonna do, but it might do something.
It takes me.
Bruh! Freaking Giga Chungus! Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye!
Bye. Help me.
Bye! Hey, don't say that. Bye! Oh, I could buy- No, I can't. Bye!